Good afternoon students, welcome to class 7 biology class, and today I am going to discuss the kingdom Animalia. The five kingdom classification I have discussed, and also you have learned is the five kingdom classification and the characteristics of the five kingdom classification, different examples of this, and here given in your book the kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia means the animals. Okay, different types of animals. Just like the plant, the various kinds of animals found on our earth, and different types of they are actually these animals that differ in shape, size, food habitat, shape, body structure, the different size. The some animals are, you can see here, some animals are unicellular. Okay, some animals are multicellular. Some animals are the large in size, the different size, the various kinds of animal found on the earth. To make a studies of a such diverse group of organisms easier and systematic, animals are classified into different categories. For the easier study, where you can easily study or the various type of organism. Okay, this is easier for our easier. The animals are classified into different categories. Animals classified just like the classifications. And the members of each category animals bears the close resemble to each other on the close resemble to each other, and the classification of animals. Today we are going to start. This is the only introduction part, the classification of animals. Where to classify the animals, at first we classify the different kingdoms, the five kingdoms. Then in the kingdom, the different types of phylum is there. Also in the kingdom Animalia, means kingdom animals, the different types of phylum, many phylums include in the animals in the kingdom Animalia. Okay, different phylum, different class, different genus, different species, major types of. For our actually we can easily study the different types of organisms. For this reason, first one, the classification of animals. Classification of animals, first the two types. This is the vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals, two types. First one is invertebrate. Invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates and vertebrates. For which animals are the invertebrates and which animals are vertebrates? Invertebrates mean absence of backbone. Those organisms those don't have backbone, they are called that they are included in the invertebrates. And presence of backbone are called vertebrates. In the invertebrates, the different phylum is there. In the invertebrates, you have to remember like this way. Okay, not separately remember. This step by step have to remember. The first, porifera. Number two, the all characteristics I will discuss in details. Okay, porifera, Nidaria, platyhelminthes, I am writing here also. Platyhelminthes, nematoda. Number 5, Annelida, mollusca, arthropoda, and last one, echinodermata. Okay, the invertebrate. In the invertebrates, is all are the phylums. Okay, in the all the characteristics I will discuss in details. porifera. First, you have to remember step by step. Not before you have to remember. First one, porifera. Number 2, Nidaria. Number 3, platyhelminthes. Number 4, nematoda. 5, annelida. 6, mollusca. 7, arthropoda. And number 8, echinodermata. These all are included in invertebrates. Invertebrates all are phylums. Okay, all are phylums included in invertebrates. Means all the animals, including all the animals, don't have backbone. They are called invertebrates. And next one, this is the I am erasing this board and I am writing here the vertebrates, including in vertebrates. 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 The first one, species. Species. Number 2, amphibia. Amphibia. Number 3, reptilia. Number 4, abyss. Number 5, mammalia or mammals. Mammalia. All are including this also are phylums. 5 phylums included in vertebrates. First one, species. Number 2, amphibia. Number 3, reptilia. Number 4, abyss. Number 5, mammalia. All the examples and characteristics I will discuss in details later. Okay, this is the classification of Animalia. Classification of animals. This given in your book in flow chart. These charts have to remember and step by one. The first have to remember species, amphibia, reptilia, abyss, mammalia. This way have to remember, not separately. You don't tell mammalia, abyss, reptilia, amphibia. No. The first have to start species, amphibia, reptilia, abyss, and mammalia. Okay, these all are the classification in animals. And all characteristics, the example, which organism include in this phylum, which organism include in that phylum, I discuss in details. Only you remember this classification or these closures have to remember. Okay.